Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring a code snippet that allows you to create auto-close messages using SweetAlert2 in JavaScript. This code can be used to display informative messages to your users that automatically close after a specified duration. So, let's dive in and learn how to implement this functionality. Let's start by examining the HTML structure of the code. The title tag sets the title of the web page. In our case, it's set to auto-close message example. We also have a link tag that includes the style sheet for SweetAlert2. This ensures that the styling is properly applied to our alert messages. Now, let's focus on the JavaScript code enclosed within the script tag. We begin by selecting the button element with the ID showAlert button using document.getElementById. We then add an event listener to the button, listening for the click event. This allows us to trigger an action when the button is clicked. Inside the event listener, we use the SweetAlert2 function to display the auto-close message. This function is provided by the SweetAlert2 library. The SweetAlert2 function accepts several options to customize the alert message. We set the icon to success, the title to auto-close message, and the text to this message will close automatically in a few seconds. To enable the auto-close functionality, we use the timer option and set it to 3000 milliseconds, or 3 seconds. This means the message will automatically close after 3 seconds. We also enable the timer progress bar option to display a progress bar indicating the remaining time before the message closes. Additionally, we set Show Confirm button to false to remove the default OK button from the message. And that's the complete breakdown of this code snippet. With just a few lines of code, we can create informative auto-close messages using SweetAlert2. First, we define a variable called timerInterval. This variable will be used to store the interval ID for updating the timer display. Next, we call the SweetAlert2 function, which is a part of the SweetAlert2 library. This function is used to create a customized alert. In this example, we're passing an object with various properties to configure the alert. The title property sets the title of the alert as auto-close alert. The HTML property sets the content of the alert as I will close in /banged milliseconds. Notice the use of the /banged and /banged tags, which will update dynamically to display the remaining time. The timer property sets the duration for which the alert will be displayed, in this case, 2000 milliseconds, or 2 seconds. The timer progress bar property is set to true, which displays a progress bar indicating the remaining time until the alert is closed. The didOpen property takes a callback function that is executed when the alert is opened. Inside this function, we perform some initial setup. We show a loading spinner using SweetAlert.showLoading, and then we select the /banged element within the alert using SweetAlert.getHTMLContainer.querySelector, B. We set up a recurring task using setInterval. This task updates the text content of the /banged element with the remaining time left until the alert is closed. We use SweetAlert.getTimerLeft to get the remaining time from SweetAlert2. The interval is set to run every 100 milliseconds, which means the timer will be updated 10 times per second. The willClose property takes another callback function that is executed just before the alert is closed. In this function, we clear the interval using clearInterval, timerInterval, to stop updating the timer. Finally, the SweetAlert.fire function returns a promise, which allows us to use the then method to handle the result of the alert. In this case, we check if the alert was dismissed due to the timer running out by examining the result.dismiss property. If it matches SweetAlert.dismissReason.timer, we log a message to the console indicating that the alert was closed by the timer. And there you have it. We've just explored the code step by step, understanding each line and its purpose. By using SweetAlert2's SweetAlert.fire function, we were able to create an auto-close alert with a progress bar and dynamic timer display. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to implement auto-close messages in JavaScript. Feel free to experiment with different options and durations to suit your needs. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials.
Wow.